back. So you know what I did? I created another worker, the worker number two, in order to save time, and did all the installations on it already. So I already have this worker here on my virtual box as worker two, right? Because the steps are repetitive, I thought it's better that we save time here. And I have joined the worker here. So joined the second worker also to the master. So you will see that build another worker, that is also done. And just to prove test this, I can go ahead and start a watch here, and that watch will tell you that there are two workers which are active at this point of time, and all your other processes in the pods in the cluster is already working. Very good. So what we are going to do now is we are going to create a deployment, right? Um, right. So we've done this. We are going to create a deployment. Now, the way we are going to do deployment is we'll say kubectl apply, but we are not going to move the file. I already have a file on my Kubernetes Essentials GitHub repository, which I'm going to show you now. So go here, kubelet setup, yeah, this deployment. We'll use this, the raw version of it, yeah, and we'll just directly see it says two replicas, right? So it should install two replicas, and that is what I've given in my documentation. The reference to this YAML, right? So we'll just directly pick it up from here. Okay, go to the master and run it. All right. You'll see the deployment is created and is saying it has two elements or two containers in it, right? And also you will see that yes, yeah. So two deployments are happening. Okay, and nicely they are getting created. Yeah, I'll let them get created, and this becomes let this become successful, and then we will try to do a few more things with it. Okay, we'll try and upscale it, downscale it. I'll give it some time to for that to happen. um, yeah, okay, that's fine. um, Probably I'll just let this complete over here and do the deployment or playing around in the next video. Let's do that because this is taking a bit of time. Remember, this is virtual machine, I mean virtual box, so it would take time because they are in your local machines. Your local machine has got limited resources, so it does take time, but we are fine. We'll wait for it. Let the containers get created. Also keeping in mind that this is local machine, in the next video we are going to upscale only to maximum of 5 or 3 or 4 machines, that kind of a thing, replicas, not more than that. So we'll see, we'll come back and we'll see that. I'm just waiting for the deployment to be complete. We'll give it some time. See, about 2 minutes or so. I really don't think I should give more than 2 more replicas here because it might consume those resources. But that's basically the trade-off between doing it as a local setup versus doing it on a on cloud. Yeah, we'll wait for this till this becomes 3 minutes. If it's still not happening, then what we'll do is we'll end the session, and I'll wait for it to get deployed offline, and then we will come back in the next session. Okay, 7 minutes to go, 7 seconds to go, 4 seconds to go. Okay, so I think I'll end the session. I'll let this get deployed nice and fine, and then I'll come back and then we'll play around with the replicas. Right. So see you in the next session. Thank you.